Hey, what's up you guys, this is sajidz and you're watching Sajid's Take. So here in this video I'm going to talking with about how you can add a face lock ID in your Facebook Messenger. So here nowadays the Facebook Messenger of us really important, and now here for that reason you need to face locker in your Facebook Messenger so that no one can enter it without your permission. So what's that reason and how that trick? To know about that, you need to watch this video from the first to the last. Before starting that, our request, if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, as I enter in this messenger, that time it's okay, but here whenever I want to enter it, that time it directly enter, and here you can also add it. So how you can add a face locker? So for that, here guys there have an app called the app lock with face. This is the app. You need to go to in the Google Play Store, and here from you need to search here something like app lock with face, and it will be like that, and from here you will get it. After just installing it in your mobile phone, you need to open it for the first time. So here it will be looks like that, and here you may face some ads. So from here in the first time whenever you open it, that time it may be disabled. So from here you need to make it enable. Now click on this next and click on the start from here to make it start, and here the lock settings and the lock apps. So from here in the enable app you need to make it enable, okay, and here you need to add a question, security question. It may be whatever you want. You can ask a question, which city you born. So here I will add as a answer from here. Now click on this save, and here you need to draw a pattern as you wish. So here I just add it to make my security move, and here from I'm there you can add a scan face from here, and here guys it's taken my scan face. Now click on this enable app lock, enable it, and from here enable it, go to the back, and here from we are there. Now it's okay from me. Now click on this app lock, and from here guys you can see that all those apps which you want to lock, from here you can add this lock. So in this case I will find here from the messenger, and from here this is the face. If you click on this lock, that time it will only lock, but if you click on this face, that time it will add a face lock in your. So here I want only this face lock here. So now it's okay, and here you need to on this locker. Without it, it doesn't work. So for that here guys, now whenever I want to add this messenger, so whenever I click on this messenger, that time I hear it will open my Facebook Messenger, otherwise it doesn't work. So here guys, by this way you can add a scanner in your Facebook Messenger so that your messenger, all the data will be saved, and here no one can enter it without your permission. So here guys, this is the thing, and according to me it will really working for you. So guys, what's about this? Guys, do you want to use it, and after just using it you get some more benefit from here and get more security? That time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.